Hello dear students. Today, we are going to practice speaking English while talking about a very special Indian festival, Raksha Bandhan. We will learn simple sentences, questions, and answers so you can speak confidently. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is a Rakhi. A Rakhi is a decorated thread. Sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers. Brothers promise to protect their sisters. Brothers give gifts to their sisters. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love and care. We celebrate Raksha Bandhan in August. Repeat after me once again. This is a Rakhi. A Rakhi is a decorated thread. Sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers. Brothers promise to protect their sisters. Brothers give gifts to their sisters. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love and care. We celebrate Raksha Bandhan in August. Let's learn some easy words related to Raksha Bandhan. Repeat after me. Rakhi, the special thread brother, your male sibling sister, your female sibling gift, something you give festival, the celebration. I will ask, you will answer, then we will switch. I will answer, and you repeat the question. What is this? This is a Rakhi. Who ties the Rakhi? Sisters tie the Rakhi. What do brothers give? Brothers give gifts. When do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? We celebrate it in August. Let's try a small conversation. Listen and repeat after me. Woman sister. Happy Raksha Bandhan, brother. Boy brother. Happy Raksha Bandhan, sister. Woman sister. I tie this Rakhi on your wrist. Boy brother, thank you. I promise to protect you. Woman sister, here is some sweet for you. Boy brother, and here is a gift for you. Hello kids. Today, we are going to speak 20 English sentences about Raksha Bandhan. I will say each sentence slowly, and you will repeat after me. Let's begin. Today is Raksha Bandhan. We celebrate it every year in August. This is my favorite festival. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love between brothers and sisters. Sisters tie a Rakhi on their brother's wrist. This Rakhi is a symbol of love and protection. Brothers give gifts to their sisters. Sisters pray for their brother's long life. Brothers promise to protect their sisters. We wear new clothes on Raksha Bandhan. We eat sweets on this day. My sister makes delicious laddus. My brother gives me chocolates. We take photos together. The whole family celebrates happily. I love tying a Rakhi to my brother. My brother smiles when I tie the Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan brings us closer. We always remember this day. I love my brother or sister very much. Well done, kids. Clapping hand sign. You spoke 20 English sentences about Raksha Bandhan. Practice them again with your friends and family. The more you speak, the better your English will be. Great job, kids. Today you learned how to talk about Raksha Bandhan in English using simple sentences, new words, and questions. Keep practicing by talking about festivals in English every day. In the next video, we will learn English sentences for Independence Day celebrations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep speaking English together. Bye bye.